So then finally, so we've talked about using what's wrong to focus on what's right, which is super powerful. We talked about using goals. You can use goals to formulate daily actions. You just have to have that healthy relationship with goals. But then also, I think it's really useful to think about the kind of person that you want to be in different areas of your life. So the kind of person that you want to be means thinking more along the lines of an adverb, a descriptive adverb or adjective for yourself in these different areas. So instead of a concrete number-driven goal or weight or number of pull-ups, you can think about what's the kind of person that I want to be in my nutrition practice or in my fitness practice. What's the kind of person? I want to look a certain way. I want to carry myself a certain way. I want to be functional. These are much more general and broad, but it gives us more clarity on what it is that we need to be doing on a daily basis, right? So if I'm the kind of person that is making good choices when I'm out eating real food, and I'm the kind of person that has an ideal body composition and that looks good and feels good, then what are the things that that kind of person is doing on a daily basis? All of a sudden, it starts to become very clear what it is that I need to have in my daily actions. All right, so thinking about the kind of person that you want to be is extremely beneficial, okay?